Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to trade gold in IQ option. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to head on over to iqoption.com/trade room. Now we've got some options here, so you might not have gold already preset, but to find gold or start trading with gold, I'm just going to get rid of this. We can go ahead and either click onto here where it says crude oil, and from here click onto commodities. To the right we've got gold here, or likewise we can open a new asset, go to commodities and click onto gold. So yeah, that's a couple of different ways how to find gold. Now in order to trade it, we can trade with demo money, or you can make your first deposit and use real money. Now once you've chosen what you're going to use, I'm just going to use my practice amount for this. So for this I want to invest on the far right. So what do I want to invest? Say $1,000 with a leverage of, say, I reckon I might do 5. And from here, volume, it's going to show you the volume. And now we've got a take profit. So I'm going to take profit when I am up about 250. And then to the right, this can be profit in money, percentage, or asset price. But I'm just going to have a profit in money and hit enter. And now with your stop loss, I'm going to set this to, I reckon, 100 for this trade. And now again, we can do loss percentage, loss in money, or asset price. I'm just going to do loss in money and then hit enter. And then from here, we've got the price, the market price to buy, or we can choose a price manually, just up to you. So I might just keep it at that. Then from here, I'm going to go ahead and buy it at 4,233. And now below this, it's going to give us the pending isolated margin. So here it is here. So now this is currently active. Now, once it's out of pending isolated margin, it's going to get put into here in isolated margin once it fills up that buy. Because as you can see, it's at 4231, but I want to buy it at 4233. But I can change that if I like. I can delete that, but yeah, it will fill up soon. But yeah, that's how to trade gold in IQ options.